Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 24th of May 2018. Okay guys, it was somehow satisfied signals with the day when we talk about the forex trading, and I'm going to talk today's discussion from New Zealand USD. So guys, you can see that today I have supplied the bullish signal in case of New Zealand USD, and the entry was 069230, and you can see that we have a break on the entry. Now it's on the way towards the targeted price that I have supplied in my signals report. So with a bullish trend, the target price can be 069580. So guys, hopefully you people must be active on the trade on New Zealand USD, and if it continues to go like this, then it can reach out towards the target price throughout the US session. Okay, now let's talk about the semi-satisfied signal which is USD JPY. I'm going to talk about it. A bullish trend was supplied. In case of USD JPY, the entry was 109503, and you can see it has made a bullish pattern in the morning, but later on we have dropped in the later session of the day. However, this signal was traded during the London session. I'm giving a bit late review, that's why we have seen a drop and the later candles here. But if you have traded this gap like 4 to 6 hours, then you should have caught the profit on USD JPY bullish trend. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. A very easy signal, and it's also on the way. AUD USD with a bullish expectation from my side. 07568 was the entry, and you can see a significant upward momentum. We have a break on the entry, and the market is towards the target price 076043. So those subscribers who have taken the buy position on AUD USD, they must have taken good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the downfall that we have received today on USD CHF. A very easy signal, 099295 was the entry, and you can see a massive drop today on USD CHF, and it has also reached towards the target price 098926. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions, then we also have received a sell signal from the scalper, and hopefully you people must have taken a very good profits on trading this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar, and that was a very easy signal from my side. A bullish trend was supplied in case of USD Canadian dollar. The entry was 128557, and you can see that we have a sweet upward trend, and the market exactly made a bullish push right from the entry, and it has hit the target price within 3 hours. That was 129177. So if you have taken the trade on that pair, then you should have got very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the buy position that is taken during the early session of the day. I'm talking about the London session. A bullish signal was supplied from 128236. However, the market went up towards 128859, and after that we have seen the slight downfall on Euro JPY. But if you have traded these 4 hours, then you must have booked very good profits on Euro JPY. Okay, one signal that is traded in the early session of the day is the AUD JPY. I have supplied the bullish signal. However, the market stays above for a few hours, but later on we have seen a drop again, and now it's again retesting this signal. So guys, if it breaks 863 again, then it will be back into the bullish zone, and you can seek the target price, which is 83522. So this signal can be valid for a US session. So guys, this is all about the today's trading. Moreover, those subscribers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmations, like from the top red boundary we have seen the rejection and the market is down, and you need to buy the pair when it comes up into the lower red boundary. Like you can see that from the lower red boundary the market starts gaining momentum, and finally it was up. So guys, this is all about the trading system, and this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.